How to use DeepSeek R1. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore how you can utilize DeepSeek V3 along with DeepSeek R1, which is an advanced AI reasoning model. So if you're unfamiliar with DeepSeek, it's a sophisticated AI language model that can be accessed through a chatbot, which I'll demonstrate. And this model is considered a strong competitor to OpenAI's 01's, their first ever reasoning model. So OpenAI's 01 model is currently restricted to premium users with an unlimited access plan costing a hefty $200 per month, a plan I personally subscribe to. However, DeepSeek is completely free to use. You can even download and install it locally on your machine or use it directly on their official website. It is developed by a Chinese AI startup. So this model was launched just a few days ago. So first of all, I'm going to tell you that to get started, you can just download the DeepSeek application on your phone, and then you can just log in. And if you've ever used ChatGPT, the interface will feel very similar. So simply type in your question or prompt and hit send. Now, if you want to take advantage of DeepSeek R1, look for the DeepThink R1 option over here. So this model specializes in tackling complex reasoning problems. So just click on it. Let's put it to the test with a thought-provoking prompt. Now, let us type down that how can you prove that life is only possible on Earth, or humans are only on Earth? It's just kind of questions I'm just going to ask it. So just press on send. And now you can see that when I send this question, I won't edit anything. So you can see how quickly it responds. Initially, the model engaged in deep thinking. And now you can see that the model is thinking right now, and it just says like, this is the whole thinking process. It is not really the permanent answer of it. So you can just click on thinking, and if you wish to just skip the thinking process, it's such a nice structured thinking process, and it is very easy to use, and it also helps with your thinking. So you can just give it a read. And for this particular question, it took like I guess 15 seconds to generate a response, and starting with a philosophical and scientific breakdown before reaching a conclusion. So it just gives this conclusion in the end: extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidences. So this is just like kind of claim. So it just says that stand as a default condition based Earth's biological and human uniqueness. Right, for now. So just giving it a proper kind of explanation for that. And a standout feature for DeepSeek V3 is its ability to combine logical reasoning with real-time web search. So something ChatGPT's 01 model doesn't currently offer. For example, I'm going to write down that how is, Nova bot doing so good in the market right now? And I'm just going to click on search as well. So just click on it. And now you can see that this question is not just of thinking and reasoning, but it is also kind of searching down. So right now the model is thinking, and it's just like kind of thinking, and you can also skip the thinking process. So it's just gonna think it itself, and you're only gonna see the result for that. So now it's gonna give us the reason, like due to technical issues the search service is temporarily unavailable, but it will give us the whole the thinking process and the reasoning process, and you can give it a read. So that is basically how you can use DeepSeek R1. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.